How's it going? James, OnlineCarShow.net. In this video, we're going to be opening up the PETROLBOX for October 2019. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started.
The box. Who's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the f***ing box?
All right, well, it's finally here. I'm back to PETROLBOX. I've missed this box tremendously. It's a monthly box. You can either get a smaller box, or I believe this is called a premium box. Prices vary, of course. You tell them your glove size, your shirt size. They send you a box monthly. It's a really cool subscription for car guys. PETROLBOX, I think it's My.Petrolbox.com. And also there's a really cool giveaway / contest attached to this. Whenever you open up a PETROLBOX, if there's a golden ticket inside, you'll win a free set of Rotiform monoblock wheels for your car.
I've got a golden ticket.
Let's see what happens. Nope, no golden ticket. But, nope. We're greeted with the PETROLBOX. A special thank you for your support from them, their signatures. Really cool. It tells you the contents of the box, so I'll be able to read this as we go. First off, greeted with, it looks like another rag company. Ooh, 2 towels. Edgeless towels. Guessing this will come into play with the car care product that's in this month. We've got Rag Company Edgeless 300 all-purpose towels here. 2 of them. Ooh, I see a book already. And some car care stuff. Let's see what we've got for the book. This thing's really grabbed my attention. Go Like Hell, A.J. Bame, Ford Ferrari, and their battle for speed and glory at Le Mans. Oh, this is really coming to play with the movie that's coming out right now about this, and Carroll Shelby and all that. Really cool. This is definitely going to be a good book, and I'll read it. Got a GT40 sticker. I guess that plays into the theme of the PETROLBOX this month. Our series stickers will be in every box. Awesome illustrations of famous race cars done by Snake Oil Elixir on Instagram. Very cool. I like this sticker. It's really good quality. Definitely going to go in the toolbox. And we've got an air freshener from, it just says air freshener on here, but it's a PETROLBOX air freshener. Kind of cherry smelling from what I can gather. Really good. That's going to go in the car actually right now because I don't have an air freshener in there. Let's see what else we've got. This month's candy, Jolly Ranchers. Wife's going to love that. We've got sour apple and a cherry. Let's go ahead and get to the good stuff. Gloss dressing, interior and exterior by Legendary Car Care. Gloss dressing is a water-based with a very unique, long-lasting formula, making it safe to use on engine bay plastics as well as interior and exterior plastics, vinyl, rubber, and trim surfaces. So this is basically something you're going to put on anything plastic, vinyl, rubber on the car. You could even use it on tires if you're out of tire gloss. Really good. You could use this in place of another, I think they call it VRT with some brands. So that's basically what this is. And I was running low on it, so I really needed it. Thank you. And I'm guessing that's where the towels are going to come into play to use with it. And a spray nozzle top. We've also got the Ride of the Month, Subscriber of the Month. They also do another contest attached to this. You send them a picture of your car if you're a subscriber to PETROLBOX, and you're entered into a contest to get your car featured on a magnet, you know, to go on a refrigerator or whatnot. So Subscriber of the Month is William Frund, and I'm sorry if I messed up your last name. October 2019. It looks like a Volkswagen.
Farfanugan.
On the front there, really cool car. Congratulations, William. And then we've got our shirt. Wow, love the colors on this. It's like that Gulf color, orange and blue. I'm guessing GT40 is already shining through on it. Let's see what it says here. 24 hours of Le Mans 1966 Circuit de Sarthe, the Ford GT40. Really cool shirt. I love this shirt. And of course, like I said, you enter in the size when you subscribe, so it comes in your shirt size. You can guarantee it's going to fit. Let's go over what we got here now. Some awesome stuff this month. We've got the GT40 shirt, 2 Rag Company 300 series multi-purpose towels. We've got the subscriber of the month, William, and his Volkswagen.
Farfanugan.
We've got the PETROLBOX air freshener for your car, GT40 sticker. Love that. And we've got the Go Like Hell book with the Ford Ferrari and their battle for speed and glory at Le Mans story. And gloss dressing, interior, exterior by Legendary Car Care. And of course the spray nozzle and our candies for the month. Really good month for PetrolBox. So happy to be back as a subscriber to them. As you can see, it's some really cool stuff. You get this every month. You learn about car care products you might not be using, didn't even know were out there, how to use them. Gives you everything you need for it. You're going to get some good swag for your car, a good shirt to put on, or some gloves. Got a reading material. Excellent month. Be sure to go check them out. My.Petrolbox. Well, as y'all can see from the contents of the box, you understand part of why I've missed, leaving PetrolBox and was so eager to get back to them and start doing the videos and unboxing. It's a really good deal for the money. And one thing I don't really show in these videos that I kind of want to illustrate in this one, and I plan to do in future, is the fact that these products that come in these boxes for your car, the car care products, they're kind of a little gem you find out at, a couple weeks after opening the box and start using the product of what it is. This month they had a gloss dressing car care product, and I'm going to show you a picture here. I ended up using it all over the rubbers and plastic on the car, and it really brought out the shine. You can see the bottom half on this picture. I did gloss, and the top half I haven't glossed yet, so works really good. I used it on all the trim on the car. So that's kind of, one thing that I don't really appreciate when I do these unboxings and stuff and the videos that I plan to show in the future, is how useful the stuff is actually inside that you get. Thank y'all so much for watching my videos. I can't, say that enough. Please be sure to hit that like and subscribe below. It helps support my channel and helps my videos to grow. You all have a great week, and we'll see you next time.